everyone, Roger here. If you love real travel, the kind with good stories, practical tips, and no fluff, you're in the right place. Let's hit the road. What a difference a day makes. After arriving in a rainy, gloomy Seattle last night on the Coast Starlight, I woke up to this. A brilliant blue sky and the sparkling waters of Elliott Bay. Today, I'm taking you on a stroll down Alaskan Way toward Pier 52. We're heading to the ferry terminal for a trip to Bainbridge Island, and the sunny light on this city is absolutely breathtaking. You won't want to miss the Seattle Ferry Terminal building at the end of this walk. It's beautiful. I've slowed the footage down a bit so we can really soak in the atmosphere. You'll notice how quiet it is. Just a few joggers and the sound of the city bathing in the sun. As we walk toward the Great Wheel in the distance, you see the signs of a major metropolis, the shared green and white scooters and bikes lined up. It's April, and even with the sun, there's a crisp chill in the air. Most people are still in long sleeves. Check out the urban planning here. I love how they've sandwiched the bike lanes between the traffic and the pedestrian path. It feels very safe and intentional. I started looking at the shadows of the railings on the boardwalk and realized something. The sun seems to be in the west. This might actually be the afternoon, despite how peaceful and empty the paths are. It just goes to show how clean and spacious Seattle's waterfront feels. I stopped for a moment at this observation platform extended over the water. Look at how clean this area is. No trash, just pure views. It really makes you appreciate the public infrastructure here. Now, we're approaching Pier 52, the Seattle Ferry Terminal. This building is a masterclass in modern design. The clean white panels, the timber slat ceilings, and those bold green signs, it feels so fresh. The massive Seattle Ferry Terminal sign on the facade is hard to miss. Even the landscaping with these heavy timber frames and wooden benches makes the whole area feel high-end. It's a public building that actually feels like a piece of art. Heading up the stairs now, followed by a local and his dog. He gave the camera a quick look. As we move toward the ticket booths, you can hear the PA announcement starting up. The upstairs semi-interior area is just as spotless as the exterior at the pedestrian level. I'm about to hop in line for my ticket to Bainbridge. If you've enjoyed this sunny walk through Seattle, stay tuned for the next part of the journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this grand Amtrak tour. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. See you on the next travel adventure.